shut off your utilities as a way of forcing you to leave. It's against the law for them to even threaten you to tell the landlord once you out, they must follow the eviction timeline and process of the court.
Yep.
So
I don't even know what.
He already changed the lock to the front.
What would even be the ORC on that? Can we do
I don't know.
I mean, you can't let him break the law.
Hey, where's their door? Where's their door? Well, can you ask Terry where the door is?
So the door's in the garage.
Okay, can we get it back?
It's not my call.
Well, can you tell Terry to come out here and get the door before somebody goes to jail? I mean, there's steps to go about this.
I came home to this, so
Do what?
it's a mess. So they told me they took the door off. I'm like, I already knew it was gonna have to be. I already knew. That's not being neutral about it, I guess. Terry knows the reasons. He knows what he has to do for things to work out.
And he won't do it, is the problem.
And how many times you guys said it?
A lot.
So
We told him if he would just turn the water on, we'd pay him.
All right, Terry, they need their door.
I ain't giving you a door.
Listen,
They
stop.
ain't paid no rent.
Stop.
In almost a year.
Stop.
They don't belong here. Take me to jail.
We're
right now.
about to.
Come on, let's go. Because I ain't doing this game with you people.
Terry.
You guys told me you were moving out months ago. I ain't letting you be a deadbeat here no more. I will go to fucking jail.
Terry.
Come on.
Terry. Listen.
I'm done.
Listen.
They're driving me crazy. They're just going to squat here longer.
How many times have we told you what to do?
I did. I've called the courts. I got the paperwork. I asked the court to help me. They didn't even give me the paperwork. I had to get it from the ombudsman's office. I hung the notices on the door. I hung them on the door 2 months in a row.
This is the problem.
3
You don't let
months in a
people
row.
talk. Ever.
Okay, I answered the question.
You don't ever let people
I
talk.
answered the question.
Okay.
I've had the eviction notices
You
on
can't
the door.
listen. You can't turn the water off.
Just let him talk.
Can't turn the water off.
They ruined,
Listen.
They ruined the septic system. I paid $1,000 to have a guy come out here and clean out the main lines because somebody put blue towels from my garage in the goddamn septic because it's a septic system. I told him you got to use septic toilet paper and you can't use. I told him don't even put toilet paper. She said, "Oh, I know all about living with a septic system." And these other people that she let here destroyed my septic system.
Stop.
It's cost me thousands of dollars, and I'm going to take. How much does it cost?
Listen,
to
stop.
file a legal
Listen.
eviction?
Terry, let him talk.
Listen, this
Let him
is
talk.
how it's going to sort out. Your son's not going to jail. He's going to get a summons for the obstruction for not listening to us. Okay, then he's going to get a court date. He's going to be released here in a minute. Okay? These people still live here. You're not allowed to change the locks.
Well, take the door.
You can't be taking
Yeah,
the
I
doors
did
off.
change the locks.
Huh?
You know when we changed the locks? When they were gone for days in a row,
Listen
and
to
the
this.
animals were up there with no water and no food.
This is
and
how-
that's the truth.
Terry,
'Cause I
stop.
had the cops
Terry,
there. I called
stop.
the animal
Listen.
shelter. And the animal shelter told me to call
Terry!
the cops.
Listen to me. This is how it plays out. They live here.
And they
If you
can-
don't change locks back, they can force entry to get in. They live here. Until you have the paperwork to prove they're gone,
Hey, I
they
gotta
get
tell
30
you
days.
something, officer.
That's what's happening.
They don't
If
live
you
here.
don't let them in,
They
you're
use this
getting
house
arrested.
for stolen property and drugs.
You want
I
to be
want
arrested?
you to search the
You want to be
upstairs.
arrested?
I want you to search the upstairs
I'm
right
not
now.
searching nothing. I'm going to write you
There's
some
stolen-
summonses to
I
court
think there's some
for
stolen
obstructing
property
these
up there.
people. They live here.
I need a health wellness check on my house.
He doesn't think
I want a wellness check on my house.
You need to get in.
I'm serving. You know what? A legal eviction. How much is it in the court?
I couldn't tell you.
That's why we've told you forever
I've
to
asked
go.
you guys to help me serve it because I can't go up there.
I don't know, sir.
My
question to you, are you going to let them in?
For what?
They live
You
here.
actually lied to me and said to get their stuff out of my house, and now you're
I never told you
telling
that.
me that I have to let them stay again. You guys are all a bunch of crap.
Okay.
Terry.
You can't turn the water off. You can't turn the electric
The water's
off.
off for a reason. It's a health reason. I'm sorry.
Well, that's on
But
them.
they have water. They can get water downstairs, and I already told her she can use my shower and my toilet. They're living in my fucking house, dude. It's my house.
So they're allowed back in now.
It's my house.
The front door's open.
There is no door to our apartment.
Where's the door at?
The garage.
We need
Just
to
go.
back up.
Just go get it. You live here.
You walk back there with me?
I'll go with you. Just go get the door yourself. You live here.
Does the son know?
They said it's in the garage. Can you get to the garage from here?
This way.
Does somebody out here have my phone? Who has my phone? You guys are lying to me.
Nobody's lying, Terry.
Yeah, open the door for them to get the stuff out. Now you're telling me I gotta let them pay again. We already went through this a month ago.
You said if you turn the
You
water
don't
on, we
even
pay.
pay rent here. When did you pay any
You
rent?
turn the water on, we
When
pay
did you
you.
pay some rent?
Terry,
That's a
stop.
I have nothing to talk to you
You're a
about.
liar. You know what? When I gave them the eviction notice, they didn't even come to me and try to negotiate. Why are you kicking me out?
All right.
They know why I'm
Go
kicking
grab
them
that.
out.
There's the handle.
They
and
know
the
why I'm
hinges, too.
kicking my out.
Yeah.
I don't know where they're at.
Terry, where's the doorknob?
I have no idea. I didn't even do it.
Joey knows.
I didn't do it.
Joey's the son.
You know what? I gotta tell
Someone
you
knows.
what.
'Cause this
I'm
happened
calling
before I
the
got here.
police
Someone
on
knows
the
where the door
police.
knobs are at.
I'm calling the federal marshal's office and the
Okay.
fucking NCAA.
You call them. That's fine.
You know what?
We just need the
If I
doorknob.
wasn't in this wheelchair, they wouldn't be doing this to me here, and you guys wouldn't be here right now. Do you understand that?
Terry.
Do you understand that?
Sounds like a threat to me.
You guys been taking advantage of me.
Do I get the pin for the door, please?
No, Justin. You just showed up.
Hey, where's the pins for the door, Terry?
The rent's $100 a week. Have you paid anything
Terry.
since you've been here?
Terry.
Get out of my house.
Just go in there and look around by where the door was.
I don't even know
See if
who
they're
this
in there.
guy is.
And I'll
This
ask the
guy
son.
did not rent
He's
here.
going to be released
This
back.
guy did not even rent here. He didn't even rent.
Terry, just go inside.
I don't even know who he is. Fucking asshole.
Is there a light in here?
Yeah.
It's right there on the wall. Yeah.
Yeah, just one of those will work. Normally both of them do.
Where was the door?
I have no idea where the door was. I got off working and this is how I came with it, so. If I can look around and maybe help you out a bit, but
How do you know Terry?
I've known Terry since we were cousins, basically. I mean, he was around my cousins and Terry's alike. We were around my entire life. My entire life.
I bet the son might know where they're at. If the son would have to take
It's a
it there.
Road King. Y'all interested?
Get the fuck off my property.
It's a Road King if y'all interested. So, the Road King if y'all interested.
Can I ask you a question?
What's up?
In order to file a legal eviction, Terry has to come up to the police station.
Yes, the
in
court
order to
building.
File that.
Yeah, that's what we've been telling forever.
I know.
And he
I
always
know
says
it.
it's against his religion or something.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, this whole thing would be done
Right.
if he would just do it.
And I tell him that over and over. I wish he would just do that. But
I mean, this whole thing could be avoided if he would just go up there and do it. I mean,
I know, that's what I've been telling him.
so I mean, he always says he doesn't have a ride, so I mean, if somebody can take him up there, I mean, that'd be the best bet.